Good evening. Okay, so this is just a quick video on how to do this question. So what we have here is a Cartesian plane. The blue graph is my parabola. The green graph is my straight line graph. Okay, here are the two equations. The maths form that goes with the physical representation. So the blue equation is representing the blue graph, the parabola there, and the green equation is representing the straight line you see there. These are both in their standard forms, by the way. Ax squared plus bx plus c. That's the standard form for the parabola, the blue graph, the sad face. You see there the a value is negative in front. So that means it should be a sad face. Okay. The green graph, as you can see, we read left to right, you are going down. So it's decreasing. So that's telling you that the gradient should be negative. So when you're looking at these two equations, just make sense of what each number means. You know that the 15 at the back represents the y-intercept for both graphs. It won't always be the same. In this case, they are the same y-intercept. So can you see where are the two graphs cutting the y-axis? This vertical line, is the green graph and the blue sad face intersecting this line? Can you see it's over there at point C? So that is the y-intercept, and I know that value is 15 there. So I know that this would be 15, the y value at that point. Okay, but let's answer this question. So this question asks, determine D. I shortened the question. It said determine the coordinates of D, which is the turning point of the sad face. So D is the turning point. So to find the turning point, you're in grade 11. So you have a formula that is given to you to find that x value at the turning point. Remember, this is a coordinate, a x and a y coordinate. So to find that x value, this is the formula you need to remember. So it's x equals negative b over 2a. And what is b's value and what is a's value? Well, I just told you that it's in its standard form. So b is positive 2 and a is negative 1. Substitute that into the equation you see here, to the formula. So then you have negative bracket 2 over 2 bracket negative 1. Brackets mean you're substituting the letter out for the value of that letter. So then that answer comes to positive 1. That is the x value at D. That is the input for this function. What is the output that goes with that input? Well, if we replace the input with a number, if you replace that x value with a number, you'll get out an output that accompanies that input. Does that make sense? So if I take that 1 and I substitute it into this equation for the parabola, I'm essentially replacing my input with 1, and then from that I'll generate an output, a y value that goes with that x value. Okay, I'll generate that one unique y value that goes with that x value. Okay, so then therefore I'll have what? I'll have f bracket, and what am I replacing my input with? I'm replacing my input with 1, there. So then that equals negative bracket 1 squared plus 2 bracket 1 plus 15. What does that answer come to? Comes to 16. Okay, 16. So that is the turning points coordinates, 1 and 16.